Hey everybody, Rick Peterson here, Grounds for Divorce Coffee, bringing you a little update for cleaning your Breville grinders. Now, I've done a full-on video which you can find on our channel. Just search how to clean your Breville grinder. But I'm going to show you a new little technique that I got. This handy little vacuum cleaner off of Amazon works fantastic for extracting the grounds and the dust and that out of the grinder and the little chamber. Watch this. Take off this little attachment to start with. Get out all the big chunks, put this on. Okay, take out the burr grinder, the top burr. Okay, we're gonna dust that off. Take out the bottom burr. We're going to dust that off. Okay. And then the vacuum cleaner goes inside. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use chopsticks. Of all things, chopsticks. To take out that impeller. Grab it. Okay, got the impeller out. We're going to dust that off. Take this. Going to use a brush in there, back it out one more time, brush off those components. Bob's your uncle. So yeah, this worked really well. It took out all of the grinds, and I'll put this down into here for you to show you. Got that nice and cleaned out of there. The one thing that I would say for a tip is, speaking of the tips here, spin it so that the unit is beveled that way. Most people are going to want to bevel it, hang on a second, most people are going to want to bevel it that way, but when you're putting it into the machine, if it's facing the center like so, you're not getting all around the outside, okay? So if you spin that bevel facing out, then as you go around, super easy, goes around the whole thing, works like a charm.